Welcome to Rediscovery, where the wonders of space and science ignite. Explore the unknown, embrace the thrill, and get ready to dive into today's epic adventure. What if I told you the universe has its own soundtrack? From black hole echoes to the hum of stars, these aren't sounds you'd hear with your ears, but they're the closest we can get to cosmic melodies. Let's dive into the top 10 sounds of the universe. Before we start, here's the cool part. These sounds aren't exactly what you'd hear in space, since sound waves can't travel through the vacuum. Instead, these are frequencies converted to sounds by scientists, giving us a way to hear space. Now, let's explore the top 10 cosmic sounds. Each of these melodies offers a glimpse into the mysterious and fascinating activities happening in the cosmos. Ready? Let's begin with our first sound. The particles in Saturn's rings create a mesmerizing, rhythmic hiss, like static from another world. This deep hum is the eerie call of a black hole. Imagine the soundtrack of the most intense part of a sci-fi film. It's real, and it's right here. Jupiter emits a fascinating mix of sounds. From radio waves to lightning storms, it's like a cosmic orchestra. Plasma waves from the sun. The sun gives off a steady, hypnotic hum. Its plasma waves flowing in what feels like a cosmic heartbeat. The voice of Mars. This is Mars in motion. Its atmosphere whispers and its surface rumbles, a low and haunting melody. The singing comet. When a comet gets close to the sun, it sings as its surface boils and releases gas. It's the sound of ancient ice coming to life. Earth's own magnetic field. Our home planet has a melody too, a soft, protective hum from Earth's magnetic field that shields us from cosmic radiation. A star's death cry. Supernova. When a star dies, it's a massive explosion, a powerful roar that fades into silence. It's one of the most intense sounds ever recorded from space. Mysterious, fast radio bursts. Imagine brief, high-energy radio pulses from billions of light years away. Scientists are still puzzled by these powerful, alien-like sounds. The cosmic microwave background. And finally, the oldest sound in the universe, the cosmic microwave background. A whisper from the dawn of time, an echo of the Big Bang itself. These cosmic sounds remind us that the universe is more alive than we might think. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and if you want to hear more of the universe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time for more wonders from beyond Earth. Thanks for watching Rediscovery, where every journey uncovers breathtaking wonders.